How to find barcode in Cash app to deposit money at Walgreens. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find barcode in Cash app to deposit money at Walgreens. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Once you arrived at Walgreens, go ahead and open the Cash app application on your device. Once opened, on the bottom left side of the application, you will notice either a dollar sign or a bank-like icon. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be directed to, scroll down and select the Cash option and then proceed to click on Show Barcode option at the bottom. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on the Show Barcode option and now you will be shown with the barcode at the top. Show the barcode to the cashier at Walgreens and they will scan the code for you, and within a few moments you will receive a notification confirming the successful deposit of money. So, this is how you can find barcode in Cash app to deposit money at Walgreens. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.